What's up everyone, welcome to the 10th part of learning how to develop Android application for your Android mobile phone. So in this video I'm going to go ahead and explain you how we can create your very own application and do that. So I promise you and develop Android application, your first application inside your mobile phone for sure, as we have created Hello World. Actually Android Studio did it for us, but right now my emulator is running. In the last video I opened it up and showed you how you can run that. If not, you can use your mobile phone, directly connect it via USB. I showed you how you can download the driver, so it should be good to go. So right now we are going to go inside. This is the screen which is going to be developed by Android application. Android Studio has created an XML file and main.java. We will look forward to Java in upcoming videos, but right now our main focus is to learn XML. As you can see, it is a relative layout. So in the relative layout we can move everything up and down and so on. So right now I'm going to go and switch it back and give it a space so I can see more code on that. So I just switched it all on the right side. So this is the code which has been look forward to it. So right over here, this is the package name which we have created just starting of the video. I'm not going to then create new video again and again because it takes much of the time. Just watch each and every video of mine so you be in the smooth way. So as you can see, this is the package name. This is the ID given as relative layout. This is the parent of our project, so it is going to go ahead and take match parent and match parent with height. So it's taking full screen of my mobile phone, and also it has the padding. So right now not going to deal with padding, so we don't want whatever the content is going and take the size of this one. So I'm just going to and remove all of the padding. So I'm going to go and deal with that. So this is com.ZealPlex learn Android. So learn Android application which we have created. In the older one we are working with that only. Second thing I want to show you that, and click on settings, there is one option that is going to be, you can use Dracula, so that is going to apply with black and white theme. Click on apply, so it becomes black and white. Mostly I code with the night time, so this is going to be the best one, but if you're working in the daytime, switch back to IntelliJ or Windows. So this is going to be the normal Windows theme. So after that I close that one. After just showing you how to apply the theme, go to design, and from here you get once and zoom it a bit so it becomes more clear to you and more visible for me as well. So I'm using Nexus 5. From here you can customize what of the version and what is the size of the application you are using. So I have deleted the padding, so right now there is no padding. Click on it and use the delete key on your keyboard and delete it from here. So it says learn Android. So right now our application is been getting developed. So let me zoom out from this widget option and find image view. So this is image and media, image button. I don't want to use button, I'm going to use image view and crop it inside the center. So it is going to and open up the window. So right now I have previous video, I just pasted this image inside a drawable folder inside right over here and click it OK. So as you can see, that image is appearing over here. It didn't ask me PNG, JPEG or something else. Take it full screen of the size. Top and bottom is showing white space. So for that, another way of doing that is cropping Android, scale, type, center crop, take the size and scan it. So it is a scan type, keep it inside the center and crop the image. Preview that one, zoom it over here or and click on design. So both ways it is going to appear like that. So let me zoom out a bit. I don't know why in the previous video I zoomed it a lot. So as you can see, it is shrinked over here. So I don't want this one. It was customized automatically. I want to use, for example, Nexus 4. So it becomes much more smaller and much more compatible for us to understand. zoom it a bit. So this is how our Android application is look like, and take a text view and just grab it and paste it right over here, and take this also and paste it right over here. Alright, so our two text view is appeared over here. Click on this text view. As you can see it right over here, it says text view 3. I just deleted 1 and 2 in the previous video just because I was showing you that how we created. So right now it's taking wrap content. You can use the help of this one if you want. Keep it as bold, so it becomes much more bold. If you can use italic, it can do that. If click it in the center and so on. Switch back to our text view, copy this one and keep it on the top. Everything which is going to come after it is going to apply for that. If this text view is right over here and this image view is above this text view, this text is not gonna appear. So after image is there, so image is inside the background, and on top of that layer is text layer, same way as we work with Photoshop. So text align, so I don't want this one. I just bolded from the right side, so it just applied it same thing right over here. As we are using text, so these are all margins. Type Android text size. So as you can see, as I'm typing, Android Studio is actually helping me out. That's what I said in the previous video. So as we are using and dealing with text, we have to use SP for that, 25 dp. Alright, then it also gave me the suggestion. So as you can see, I can read it right over here. So let me just go ahead and change the text view as I am going to be the developer. I'm going to be the developer. I am going to be the developer. So it's taking much more space. If you want, you can scale it. It's taking some more space, so keep it on the right side. I'm going to be the developer. So and change size. Where is the size? Okay, it's 22 dp, so I'm going to keep it as 20 dp and check that out. That is also not working. Keep it as 15. Design view, so it's not working properly. So if you want, you can use your physical phone and test it out there also. So this is the black one. What if I use text? Of course I want to use Android, and then text, and then press C. So it will give you the option of color and hashtag 123 FF3456. so that's the color of white. So let's check that out. See if it's not working. There is some problem with material design, text color, primary dark. Okay, that's what the suggestion gave me. So this is how my Android application is gonna look like. So let me just go and delete what I have written. Okay, so it is written below the text, so it should apply over here, and I'm doing changes in this one. That's the reason it was not appearing over there. So let me just go ahead and take this one and type text color, copy this one, comes over here, paste it over here, and see the text. It's taking blue color. And if I go ahead and change it, for example, hashtag F, small f 123456. So let's check that out. Okay, it's appearing white now. Is equal to color will be primary. Now let me just check that out. Okay, so here I'm seeing I'm going to be the Android developer. I'm going to be the developer. Okay, paste it like right over here. Okay, so now I'm going to deal with the second text. Grab the same color, or just as you can see it's on the blank side, so you can use that F color which I was doing in the previous one, hashtag 12345 6 and see. So there you can see that size is there. Take the size of my what I have written over here, text size 25 dp. Just go ahead and grab it, copy, control C, comes over here, control V, and check it out. So there you see white colors. Keep the name as ZealPlex, and there you have it. So next we are having the part second, which is going to be we are going to run this application. And congratulations, we have created our first task of developing an Android application. So this is just the beginning. I'm going to be the developer set by ZealPlex. So I'm going to go ahead and use Genymotion. This is on, click on it and start my Android application. So all you have to do is play it. So my Genymotion is okay. Run that application. So it is, and launch it right over here. It's gonna take time, as you can see the loading bar right over here. So just wait for it so it to load and compile it and create an application for that. Let me just keep it on the side. So it is saying that it has been launching an application. It's gonna show it up. So as you can see, I'm going to be the developer ZealPlex, set by ZealPlex. Run it inside your phone, and I hope it was pretty much easy for you to understand about XML and so on, the process of how to develop an application just by using all of the XML. So when we are going to and run, look forward to making an application which is going to be used by Java. So Java is actually the brain of an application. So that's up for this video. I thought that you might be bored, but that's the reason I made it a simple application. So see you in the next one, and this 10th video might be very helpful for you to get motivated, because when I was making something and I actually worked on it and give it a result as it is inside my hand, and I created an application without doing anything. So that was pretty much nice for me to understand. So I'm going very slow for you to understand it much more better. So I'll see you guys in the next video.